It's 100 degrees outside and you're wondering why your makeup is sliding off of your face. It's because you're not following any of my sweat-proof tips. As a girl who sweats genuinely so much, I've perfected 5 little tips that you can incorporate in your makeup routine to make your makeup last all day. Let's go. You need to be using a gripping primer. Moisturizers and mattifying primers, all that good stuff is fine and all, but a gripping primer is literally going to adhere the makeup to your face. I love this one from e.l.f. because not only does it grip the makeup to my skin, but it's also mattifying, so kill 2 birds with 1 stone. And I apply a good amount because I sweat and I literally need my makeup glued to my face. I'll even focus this on areas where I know that I'm going to be touching my face, so like my chin or my cheeks. And I love these gripping primers from e.l.f. because they're so strong, it'll literally adhere anything to your face. Like, look at that. So please use a gripping primer. If you are a real sweaty girl, then you know that your eyebrows are not safe. For me, the easiest way to lock my brows into place is to use a strong eyebrow glue. I usually use the Got2b one, but this new one from NYX is super good. This is just used to seal in whatever product you put on your eyebrows so they don't run off when you sweat. I know that skin tints and super thin foundations are in right now, but I feel like if you sweat a lot, you should kind of be opting for the less is more aspect. I'm choosing base routine products that have a thicker consistency and higher coverage. This way I can use less product. I can still keep as much coverage as I need to. I have a heavier duty foundation that's less likely to sweat off my face. And overall, it just feels lighter on my skin. I feel like my skin can breathe and it looks like I have like a full glam on when I really have less foundation on than I normally would. You can also use like a thicker concealer for this step if you don't have a cream-based foundation. And I'm also applying this step to my contour and my highlight concealer as well. So I'm going in with a cream contour / bronzer, and I'm going in with a cream concealer and just generally a thicker, heavier coverage concealer. So yeah, I feel like ever since I kind of changed my base routine products to these sorts of products, my base routine lasts longer and it, stands against my sweat and the heat outside. I just love doing this. When it comes to powder, I've been seeing so many people only bake underneath their eyes and leaving the rest of their faces sticky. I don't do that. I'm so sorry. I just personally believe that if it's really hot outside and I obviously know that I'm going to sweat, I'm going to make sure my entire face is set. I'm applying powder on my eyelids. I'm applying powder on my forehead, on my cheeks, on my chin, everywhere. There's not a sticky spot on my face. Why? Because I don't need my makeup sliding off of my face as soon as I start to sweat. We do not do sticky faces over here. When it comes to lip liners, the best tip that I found for myself is to sort of shy away from lip liners. I like to use either a liquid lipstick or a lip stain or a lip peel-off stain thingy. My favorite thing though is these NYX lingerie liquid lipsticks. I use them as a lip liner and once they dry, they do not move, okay? They don't move. So if you sweat above your upper lip like me, this is not moving, okay? And once I do this, I can just put my lip gloss on top. I don't even need to reapply my lip liner. It's absolutely perfect and sweat-proof. This is a little bit of an honorable mention, but this is my favorite setting spray for the summer, you guys. This is the Mayron Barrier Spray. I don't know if this is for special effects makeup or some shit like that, but I do 2 coats of this, my face is not moving, and with all the powder that I have on, this makes my skin look like skin. It's definitely strong and it'll low-key kill you a little bit, but your makeup is not going anywhere. I just wanted to share with y'all the setting spray that I'm using for the summer because look at my skin. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I've been getting a lot of questions from people like, how do I get my makeup to be sweat-proof? How do I get my makeup to stand in the heat? And these are, swear to God, the tips that I use that have saved me because I sweat a lot, more than the average person, I think. So if this helped you guys, like, share, subscribe, and until next time, bye.